Have you ever dreamed of owning a business that runs like clockwork, posts in profits, and impresses every customer that walks in? Well, it's time to meet the machine that's changing the game across Southeast Asia. It is the Go&Go automatic motorbike wars, and here is why it's not just another machine, it is the business revolution. Let's start with rapid attention first, speed and simplicity. This is not your average hooks and bucket setup. Go&Go clean a city motorbike in under 2 minutes and for those 30 rupees, just about 4 minutes. That means you can serve up to 100 by a day with zero hand scraping, minimal start, and an automatic system doing the dirty work for you. But speed is nothing without performance. Go&Go precision engineering system use high pressure nozzle, softer rotary brush, and smart sensors to clean every nook and cranny. From the rim to the underbody, it's spotless. It's not just clean, it's the professional grade clean every single time. And here is the kicker. You don't need to be a technical to run this business. One touch operation, automatic circle, and even a built-in vehicle counter. Plug in, train your stop in a single day, and you are good to go. So what makes Go&Go stand out? Besides the tech, it is the complete ecosystem. Compact footprint, just 250 square meters. Low running costs, only around 12 cents per watt. Designed for immersion market, where bike dominates the road. And support, you get training, installation, and business strategy all in one. From Vietnam to Indonesia, from Cambodia to Philippines, Go&Go is making wave. It's not just about washing bike, it's about building a modern, profitable motorbike care center with high foot traffic and recurring revenue. Imagine opening a fully brand motorbike wash station in your city, charging $1.5 to $2.5 per pint, doing 100 bike days, and watching your investment pay itself off in less than a year. That's not a hype, that's data from our actual partner. And hey, this isn't just a wash station, it's a multi-service hub. Add helmet cleaning, add coffee corner, even offer detailing or accessories. Go&Go isn't just a product, it is a platform for smart entrepreneurs. So what makes Go&Go stand out? It's built for real people in real cities, solving real problems and unlocking real profits. Whether you are a startup investor or local entrepreneur or a service chain looking to scale, Go&Go is your next move. Ready to see it live? Book a virtual demo or come visit our test site in Vietnam. Let's build something profitable together. Come directly to Go&Go factories to visit and experience washing your motorbike completely free of charge.